guys, if you want to see how I made the recipe of this yummy malai milk cake, I think it's called, yes, saffron milk cake with malai sauce on top, then keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yes, enjoy the video. So we're gonna start with half cup oil, half cup sugar. I'm gonna beat this, and then we're gonna add 3 full eggs that I've already kind of whipped. Let's begin. I'm gonna add our 3 beaten eggs into it and beat this mixture again, but let's add some vanilla essence in there. About half a spoon should be enough. And now let's beat this until it's very creamy. So now I'm gonna add half cup milk. This is warm milk, full fat milk I mean, and by the way, it also has half a spoon saffron in there, and I warmed it up. And now we're gonna add this into the mixture. Make sure the milk is not boiling hot, but just a little warm. And now mix this. So I've just added 1.5 cup self-raising flour, about 1 spoon baking powder, just a little bit of salt, and mix again. Alright, so the batter is ready. I'm going to transfer it into this one here. I greased this, and I've also put some flour on top of it, and now we're going to just put our batter into it. The reason it's so yellow is because of the saffron, but I promise you it's going to taste so delicious. And we are going to bake this cake for about 40 to 45 minutes at, well, I have a fan oven, and it's going to be 180 degrees. I'm also going to write all the instructions in the description, just so everything is more precise for you guys. Alright guys, we're going to make now the sauce, or the cream, whatever you like to call it. So this is 2 cup milk, half a spoon saffron in there. We're also going to add 3/4 of this evaporated milk. I've got this can from Asda. And then half a cup double cream goes in there. And now half a cup condensed milk, straight from the can. And now I'm going to bring this to boil. So now, as our cake is still baking, I'm going to prepare the cream for the toppings, okay? So this is 1 cup double cream. I'm going to whip it. I'm going to add half a spoon of vanilla essence into it, and about 2 spoons sugar, because I don't like my whipped cream too sweet. Let's whip this. So our cake is ready. Now I'm going to poke as many holes as possible. And once we're done with this, I'm going to pour in all our liquid sauce into it. It's also called, I think, malai milk or something. So we're done poking holes into the cake, and now we're going to use the sauce and just pour it all onto the cake. And then we're going to put this in the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours max, and then we can garnish it. Also guys, don't worry if you think the sauce is a little too much, because obviously it's going to soak into the cake in the fridge. We're going to leave it for about 2 to 3 hours, and it's going to be a spongy, really soft, milky cake. Okay, so this has been in the fridge for about 3 hours, and I've transferred my cream into this zipper bag, because I honestly do not have a piping thingy. I don't even know what you call those, but anyway, I'm going to cut this with scissors, just a little opening here, and I'm gonna try and pipe some cream onto the cake. Alright guys, the cream thingy kind of didn't work, so I just spread the cream with my spoon, and I'm just gonna call it a day. And I've got some pistachios here. I'm just gonna sprinkle some of those. I also have some dried rose petals that I'm gonna use. Yeah, it didn't really go as I planned, but it's okay. I think I really need to go tomorrow and try to buy the piping, so next time we can do it the proper way. Alright, I think I'm done with the garnishing. I'm just gonna clean the pan from the sides just so it looks a bit more presentable for my photos. I'm gonna serve some and show you guys. Oh my god, it came out so soft and delicious. I just tasted some. Look at that. Yummy! Guys, it came out really nice. I think you should try it. I'm gonna write down the description, all the ingredients and stuff like that, so it's easy for you. But yes, I'm happy. Enjoy.